Her treatment during cross-examination at times was insulting, unfair, mocking, and disrespectful, none of which was necessary. Yet she maintained her composure and kept her emotions in check, only to be criticized for not acting enough like a victim. I expect many people understand that when a person summons the courage to disclose their story, the worst possible outcome is to feel disbelieved. It's a gutting experience that no one deserves. That's why today's verdict is so devastating. EM did everything in her power to recount her experience honestly and to the best of her ability. She agreed to do everything asked of her by the criminal justice system. She spoke to the police whenever requested. She reviewed her evidence. She prepared her testimony. She answered every question. She spoke with intelligence and from her heart. Yet it was not enough. Now she questions what more could she have done? As her lawyer, I can tell her there's nothing more she could have done. But that said, the justice system must do better. I am hopeful that the verdict today is not the end, and I know that EM very much wants some good to come from this case. So to those other brave souls who are willing to do whatever it takes to pursue justice, we hope you do not give up. In a country where only 6% of sexual assaults are reported to the police, courageous people like you are important. Without you, there is no criminal accountability at all.
We want to thank EM for coming forward and for her strength in participating in this process. We have received dozens of messages from people across Canada and abroad asking us to pass along these messages of thanks and support for EM, and we've done so. We will carefully review Justice Carroccia's decision, and as this case is still within the appeal period, we have no further comments to make about the decision at this time.